So in the last video, I explained why email campaigns convert better than DMs. And I also showed you 3 campaigns every fitness coach must have. But here's where most coaches get stuck. Okay, they know exactly what they should be writing, they just don't know how to write it. So today, I'm gonna show you how to use AI to write all 12 emails, custom to your voice, your niche, and your offer in under 10 minutes. No guessing, no staring at a blank screen, or what's even worse, no writer's block. Just plug in a prompt, answer a few questions, and let AI do all the heavy lifting. Let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, we are in the AI email campaign generator prompt that I built. And all we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy this prompt here, everything below this line, okay? All the way till it says end of prompt. So I'm gonna make sure that's all copied. And then we're gonna head over to Claude and we're gonna paste that prompt into the generator. We're gonna click enter. And Claude is going to ask us a few questions, okay? First question it's gonna ask is, who do you help, right? So be as specific as possible. What is their age range, their gender, their current situation? What are they trying to achieve? You know, for example, women in their 40s who have kids, who wanna lose baby weight, yada, yada, yada. So we'll go ahead and use the first example. I help busy moms in their, we'll say mid-30s. We'll do that. Lose weight without spending hours in the gym. And now it's going to ask us the second question. What's the main transformation that you provide for these people? Okay. My answer, say, go from feeling exhausted to feeling energized and confident. How about we put that? And I'm totally freestyling this, you guys. Again, I want you to make sure that you put in exactly what you help these people with, exactly who do you help and what you help them with, okay? What's the biggest pain point and struggle of that your ideal client faces, okay? We'll just say they've tried every diet and failed. They tried exercise and failed. They just need something that works for them as a mom, as a busy mom who takes care of everyone except them. Okay, I hear that from moms all the time. Perfect. And then the fourth question is, what is your coaching style or philosophy? Okay, this is where you get pretty detailed in your coaching style. Okay, again, it wants to find out everything about you so it can craft the perfect email for you. Okay, I like this first option because that is a bit of my coaching style when I was doing my fitness business. And I think this is going to be perfect for this example. So I'll go ahead and I'll just copy and paste this. And again, you guys, I don't want you to take the easy way out and just use the suggestions that Claude gives you. I need you to give these answers some thought, because the better thought process that you put into these answers, the better and more suited your emails are going to be to your target audience, okay? The last question is going to be, what is your main offer? I offer custom fitness coaching, so custom workouts, custom nutrition, full accountability, a helpful community, live coaching calls, and a whole lot of wholesome support. How about that? Now, oh, we still got another question. This thing is very thorough and I love it. Okay. Now it's asking for a real client transformation story. And we'll just put a name I'll just put Rhonda. She started with me as a new mom, 50 pounds overweight, low confidence, and chronic anxiety. In 4 months, she lost 25 pounds, doubled her energy, and was able to get off 2 of her medications. So what's the number one objections people has before working with you? Number 2 for sure. It's too expensive. I can't afford it right now. How many coaching spots do you typically have available? I'll put, I'm only taking 5 new coaching seats for the next 3 months. 3 are taken already. It's going to create some more urgency. What tone of voice do you like? Give me 2 to 3 adjectives that describe how you communicate with your clients. I like warm and empathetic. Ooh. Okay. I like real and down to earth. Warm and empathetic. And then my last voice is direct but caring. I could say that. I embody all 3 of those. And the final question, what do you want people to do after reading these 3 emails? I want them to schedule a strategy session or purchase my low ticket offer. $97 a month. Better mom. Okay. So Claude is doing his thing just to clarify. And now we are going to rock with these email campaigns. So we're going to start with the welcome series. And there you go, family and friends. It is generating all of these campaigns for you in under 10 minutes. And we are going to have ready-made emails that can go out on your behalf that is going to do 90% of the selling for you. I hope you guys like the demonstration. So here's the deal, right? These emails are good, but they're not perfect. You have to put in a little bit of the work so they sound like you. So I'm going to teach you how to make them sound like you in 3 simple tips. Tip number 1, read the emails out loud. If you're reading the email out loud and it does not sound like something that you would say, then change it. Add your phrases, add your humor, and most of all, add your personality. Tip number 2, add real details. Now, AI is going to give you a client transformation template story. It's up to you to use real clients. The more specific that you are in that transformation story, the better it's going to nurture your prospects. And then the last tip, tip number 3, make sure you shorten everything. AI tends to get a little wordy sometimes and includes a lot of unnecessary stuff. So make sure you shorten these emails enough to where it explains the point, but it's not over explaining and killing the value of the email. Follow these 3 tips to make the necessary edits to your email so it sounds like they're coming from you. Now, I know what some of you trainers might be thinking right now. Have you ever felt awkward about selling what you do? Well, I know exactly how that feels. And that's exactly why I came up with this AI prompt. So you don't have to be present to do so. If you allow AI to do all the heavy lifting for you, 90% of the sale has already been made. So instead of having a bunch of awkward conversations with the wrong people, your AI is doing all of the heavy lifting by having all of the right conversations with the serious people. People who have been properly nurtured through email are more likely to buy from you than people that you're conversating with randomly in the DMs. So if you want to do exactly what I just showed you, don't worry. I have the exact prompt for you to download below. All you need to do is just click the link in the description and it's yours. You're going to get the full AI prompt through Claude where you could just copy paste. It also comes with instruction on how to answer the questions prior to Claude giving you the emails, and additional tips for customizing the output. And in the next video, which is part 3 of this series, I'm going to show you in a system called Go High Level how to put all of these things together. So stay tuned. So don't forget to grab your free prompt by clicking the link in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.